So what are these two things that I have marked out right here? Vol and DER. Let's go over a trade that I took this morning on my live stream. This is a bullish play, so I'll make a bullish drawing for you to understand what you're looking at. How do I keep finding the perfect trades, and how do I continue to have such a high win rate? Let's go over it right now in a few minutes. But right before I get into it, check out the first link in the description if you want a free course and a more in-depth on my strategy. It is super mechanical, only 3 steps, and the crazy part is that I trade the 5-second time frame live Monday through Friday. So what are these two things that I have marked out right here? Vol and DER. If we want to have a 85% win rate, we need to be taking A+ setups. That just means following our rules, and on top of the A+ setup, we need volatility to be stable, and we need to be trading with direction. Let's go over a trade that I took this morning on my live stream. This is a bullish play, so I'll make a bullish drawing for you to understand what you're looking at. You see this low and this previous high both get taken. So price comes up, takes the high, price comes down, takes the low. So then I want to create a zone with that new high and low, just like this. I do the same thing over here. Price comes up, comes down, comes up, comes down. That new high, that new low, price comes back up. So I'm going to put a zone right there. Then we want price to come out. How it comes out, tap the zone, taps the zone, and then break structure once again, taking this high. It obviously broke structure, it took the high. Then our last requirement was to enter at 50% and put our take profit on the line above and our stop loss 1 tick below. So we would enter at 50%, just like I did here. I put my take profit on the line above and put my stop loss 1 tick below. And as you can see, price came up, came down, filled 50%, and came back up. This is so powerful because as you can see in this drawing, there are orders sitting in this area. So the real life example below, there are orders sitting in the middle of this area. And as you can see, orders got filled here and price moved up. I took this trade when volatility was stable with direction, and honestly I was expecting a win because I win most of the time. If you want a more in-depth on my strategy, I also have playlists of me backtesting and many more other videos of me going over the same things. That is my strategy and NT.